Hello, my name is Junkin. I am actually a past graduate of Ulster University. Graduated in 2016 and I'm now in full-time employment within the SSE Arena, Belfast. I was actually invited along today to this lovely little module, and it's kind of to give the students that bit of understanding as to real life after you graduate. I think for me, I graduated and I had this expectation that you fall into this full-time job, that you absolutely love this job. Reality of that is that sometimes failure is absolutely okay. You don't walk into a job that you absolutely love. You maybe don't get the amazing pay grade that you're actually expecting either. And it's about understanding that, and I think today was very real. It provided hard-hitting, facts on what is the actual expectations, what does happen, and how you actually deal with that. How do you deal with failure? I think we're born and we're set up to, things come to us, we just have to really work for it. Sometimes they just happen, but you actually do have to work really hard. It doesn't happen always first time around. If it does, amazing, but working hard again shows that you've got perseverance behind you, and I think you learn that through uni studies. Today was really beneficial, and I hope loads of students pulled something from that, because like I say, once you leave uni you don't have that initial support always behind you and you are out on your own.